Hey guys, and welcome back to Programming Done Right. Okay, so to get started, we're going to be building a spam bot, which is a really cool project, and it's actually not that hard. So the first thing we want to do is we just want to open up the command prompt or the terminal if you're on a Mac. I don't know what Linux uses, but whatever you use to install stuff using Python. If you're unsure, just browse the web and check how to pip install on, whatever your software is. I don't know why this is here. Okay. And all you want to write is pip install pyauto GUI. Okay, that's all you have to write and press enter. You're good. Okay. For me, what's happening is it's actually like I've already installed this, so it's just throwing me and saying, you already have this installed, dude. So yeah. Now all we have to write is import pyauto GUI and import time. The reason that we're importing pyauto GUI or pyauto GUI is so that we can actually write the message, and then for time, because we want to pause for a second, right? Because we don't want to write with 0 pauses. It could perform a performance error. So we want to write hi. We just want to pause for a second, and we want to write hi again. Okay. The next thing you want to do is we actually have to see what they want to actually enter, right? Their message, the thing that they want to spam, or spam equals input. What would you like to spam, or, right? And then we just want to write print open the conversation /text file that you would like to spam. The reason that we're saying open this is because for this to work, you actually have to open up the conversation and then it's going to start spamming. That way it works on everything. It works on Gmail, Discord, everything, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, right? But it also spams on a text. It also spams on a text file, so it can just keep writing it on a text file like a Google Doc or something. So, or even in Python shell. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna be using Python shell to show you guys, but I recommend you guys start spamming a friend or some family, and you just go to a site on your computer that you used to converse with somebody. But I just don't want to show that on the web. So yeah. Now what we want to do is we want to just give them a little bit of time to open that up. So we just want to write time.sleep, okay? And we want to give them, what, about 5 seconds, right? And then now all we want to do is we want to actually spam whatever browser or conversation that they are on. Okay, so all we have to do now is we have to put it in a while loop. A while loop is basically it just keeps repeating, because we want it to keep repeating until we want it to stop, right? So now all we're going to write is pyauto GUI.write. And now we want to write our spam message, okay? Because the variable spam is inside whatever the user inputs, okay? So if I wrote hi, okay, when it asked me this question, it would be stored inside this variable. So we're calling the variable right here. Now all we're doing is pyauto GUI.enter, or sorry, it's not .enter, it's .press, because we want to press the enter key for it to actually send. You know how we just press enter, or in Python we want it to go down the line, okay, even if it's in a text file. And now this should work, except we have one teeny problem. We actually have to write time.sleep and give it a second of rest. The reason that we're doing this is it's just much easier. So yeah, that's the cool thing. So now if we run this, we're gonna see a new screen show up. So let's try this out. What would I like to spam? Hello world. Open the conversation /text file. It's gonna take 5 seconds. 4, 3, okay, yeah. And now it's just gonna start spamming it in Python because that's what I have open right now. But if you move to a Discord chat, just in your tab, it's going to start spamming that, which is really, really cool. So for me, it's just spamming this. And when you want it to stop, you can just exit the program. That's it. Isn't that really cool? You can literally spam whatever you want to anybody, and it'll just keep going and keep going and keep going. Now, I don't recommend you do this too much just because it gets very frustrating. But yeah, that's literally all there is. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. And bye. Programming done right out.